Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel where skincare is all about progression over perfection because perfection doesn't exist. I'm so excited because today, you may have seen it on Instagram, but I finally get to properly officially introduce you to my new and third collaboration box with VT Cosmetics. This is my lifestyle care box, all focused on slow aging. It's a limited edition box I put together with VT Cosmetics and will be exclusively available at StyleCare.com. You know the deal. We've done a few of these before. Let me just get all the details out the way first of all. This is going to launch on June the 23rd. It's going to cost you $39 with a value of $173. As always with the VT boxes we do, that is more than 50% off, which is crazy. If you follow me across all social media platforms, especially over on TikTok, I love VT. I have been using their products non-stop for a long time now. Start with their Seeker line and more so now like their Reedle shot and their PDRN stuff. And one thing I love about VT is that they're able to kind of work the TikTok viral landscape and create new product trends that aren't just gimmicks. They reignited my love for the skincare world because it got boring for a very, very long time. But VT are kind of like pushing innovation and I love it. It's everything I love about skincare. Fun, functional products that just work. It's all about making your skincare part of your lifestyle, and that's exactly what this box is all about. It's not just about fast results or intense overnight transformations or harsh actives. Much like my personal approach to skincare, it's about small, consistent care that over time builds healthier, firmer, glowier skin. So today I want to take you through this entire box and the routine that's created within this box as well. We're talking skin barrier care, blemish control, anti-aging, and of course, a nice, healthy, dewy glow. Let's get into it. This is the third collaboration I've done, as I mentioned, with VT, but this one feels really special. Not that the other ones haven't, but this is because it's not just like my favorite products or a selection of their Reedle shots. It's more like a slice of my daily skincare routine turned into something that you can build into your own routine and kind of integrate your own products into as well. So whether you're brand new to VT or you've already been loving their Reedle shot line, this box has a routine that you can start straight away. So I just want to show you the box first of all. They always come up with the best designs. They always send me like some artwork and I'm like, any of them? But this is almost like a picnic basket slash like a first aid box kind of thing going on, which I absolutely love. Lifestyle care box. And when you open it, we have a little word from me at the front there. And then before I show you the products on the inside, I tell you a little bit about why I like each product, what they're good for, and what time of day they're good for too, whether it works in your morning routine or your evening routine. And then here we have the products. Some of these you're going to recognize, a couple of them might be new to you. So you know I love the Reedle shot. The Reedle shots are kind of like a skin primer. You can use them on their own. They're amazing functional essence serums on their own, but they do really, really help prep your skin for the rest of your routine. Starting off with the Reedle Shot 100 Black Truffle. There is a Reedle Shot 50, but I really do feel like 100 is a really good place to start with Reedle shot. And you know I love Reedle shots because I think it's one of the most effective yet gentle product innovations I've seen in the last 2 years or that I've probably ever used. And you've probably heard of VT's Reedle shot technology before. It's kind of like a micro needle delivery system using 100% natural mineral Reedles, these little spicules that create micro pathways into the skin. Think of it like very minimal micro needling without the needles. Now, the Black Truffle plus 24 karat gold version, yeah, is a little bit fancy. You know, like the gold, it all feels a bit fancy. But this one is all about slow aging and skin renewal. So it supports the skin's natural turnover, helps with post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, and can help plump out the skin over time as well. So as I mentioned, you apply this first, always first, because it kind of enhances the absorption of everything you layer on top of it. What I will say about this one as well is it feels like a thicker, creamier texture, very, very lightweight still. Like you'll still want to use this first out of all your skincare steps, but it almost kind of buffers the feeling of the spicules, the Reedles. For those of you who are maybe going to feel it a little bit more than others, I honestly don't think you will at 100%. This Black Truffle version really just kind of like, for me, kind of buffers those Reedles. With that being said, I do think it's suitable for all skin types, even easily sensitized skin. And as you know, it's become a staple in my evening routine. When I have to stop using this to give other products a chance to do what they claim they're gonna do, I notice it. I notice it. And what I find strange is that people are like, does it not bother your rosacea? I actually think it helps with the absorption of those calming, soothing, barrier caring ingredients that do so well for my rosacea. I really have seen a difference. Now, if you are looking for more of a slow aging version that's going to help target fine lines, give you a more like radiant looking glow, and you want soft, smoother looking skin, this is where the Red Booster Reedle shot comes in. It's packed with dragon's blood, but it's a plant-based extract with anti-inflammatory, antioxidant properties. Dragon's blood can also help soothe inflammation, so you're soothing your skin while still getting that Reedle shot technology for better absorption. Because across the board of the Reedle shot range, they all have the Cica Reedle, which is those little spicules, as I mentioned, coated in Cica, so that soothing really does get delivered right into the skin. I love it. One thing I do like about the Dragon's Blood one is it's a very deep red, so when you're putting it on the skin, you can actually still see it, so you kind of get a really nice even coverage that you can just very then gently massage into the skin. This one feels like a normal Reedle shot. This one feels like a little bit buffered for some reason, but yeah, you get used to it very quickly. I don't think it's painful. It's like a static on your skin, like a very soft static. I would recommend alternating between the two. Just take it in turns each night, because then you get the slow aging benefits, the glow boosting, the even skin tone, the soothing, the smoothing. So yeah, just alternate between the two. The next product is the Garlic AC Reedle Shot Spot Cream. This is one of those spot creams that make me so sad that I wasn't a teenager this day and age, well, without smartphones. But this is the complete opposite of those awful drying spot treatments. The Garlic AC Spot Cream is this really fast acting blemish treatment that's like way more elegant than you'd expect from a garlic based product, right? It doesn't smell like garlic, first of all, but it combines garlic exosomes, tea tree and centella. So it's antibacterial, anti-inflammatory and soothing at the same time. Targeting spots without drying out your skin, something I always look for in a spot treatment, especially as somebody with tanned skin. Drying out the spots leads to a dark spot, which I then spend weeks, if not months, trying to get rid of. So the less drying the spot treatment, the better. And the texture is like this lightweight, non-sticky, almost just like gel cream that's invisible under moisturizer or SPF as well. I've had a breakout on my neck recently that has really helped with in like 2 days. It's really gone down. The garlic in here, the garlic exosome, is actually encapsulated as well. It's far more scientific than just putting garlic juice in something. In these nano-sized exosomes, so you get really good delivery to the blemished area, along with the Reedle shot in here as well, the Cica Reedles. So you're actually delivering those ingredients, I'm pointing to my spot, to the spot, especially these ones that feel like painful under the skin. It gets everything in there. We've also got BHAs and AHAs in here too, with succinic acid. They do a gel cream version of this, which I would really like, because I can imagine putting this all over my face, but I don't want to in the spot treatment. I think it might be a bit too much, so I'd love the gel cream. But for little areas, even where you're feeling like a little bit porous, I've been putting this just like on the tip of my nose to help kind of like smooth everything out. It's been really good. Next product is the PDRN Glow Ample. This is like a spray-on milky toner, but the lightest weight milky toner. Well, it's like an ampoule. It's like an ampoule toner. And I think that what that really means is just a toner that packs all the amazing benefits of an ampoule. An ampoule usually means it has more concentrated ingredients. All in this feather light mist style serum, packed with vegan PDRN, ceramides and panthenols. So obviously you just spray this on your skin, really leaves your skin looking instantly hydrated and plumped and glowy, but you can feel that as well. You can see in the video clip that I'm going to show you that I'm actually running my finger along my skin to show you that it's not just product sat on top of the skin. You get a very nice glow, but in a very natural way as well. It's amazing after Reedle shot, actually. It can really help calm and replenish the skin whilst helping reinforce your skin barrier. I use this in the morning, I use it in the evening, between stages as well. You can use this during the day as like a skin reset when your skin's feeling a little bit dry and tight. The vegan PDRN is Korean ginseng extract to help reduce the appearance of fine lines. This isn't a drug claim. The one thing that's really helped change my skin is caring for my skin barrier more than anything. In these really easy to use lightweight products that aren't just like a thick, heavy ceramide cream. I love the lightweight serums and the ampoule sprays that can give you a dose of ceramides without having to use thick, heavy products. If you follow me on TikTok, you know how much I love this product. This is the VT PDRN Essence Stick balm. We have their vegan PDRN, which is Korean wild ginseng extract, to help with firmness of the skin, help with fine lines. Collagen in here, which has a really nice plumping effect. Collagen is one of those ingredients that's getting like a bad rep now because it's often marketed within slow aging products very heavily. It's not useless. It's a very, very good humectant. So it's going to stay on those top layers of the skin, plump everything out and give you a nice plump look to your skin. And of course, ceramides, and it's all in this like easy to apply stick form, which I thought, I'm going to be honest with you, when did I bought this, like, I can't remember, a while back. I was like, I'm never going to use this. Like, why would I ever use this? And then I saw Sarah Palmyra over on TikTok. I saw her using it. I was like, her skin looks really good after that. After that day, I use this every single night. Think slugging, but more refined. It's like a refined slugging and also not thick and sticky. Listen, I'm a fan of just shoving Vaseline on my face before I go to bed, but if you want something that's not suffocating, is packed with skincare benefits and is going to help you wake up dewy and glowy. It's not quite occlusive, but it's still going to help trap in all that hydration. This is the thing to go for. Something that you could also use during the day as well. During the day, I wouldn't put this on my oily T-zone, but go straight on my dry cheeks, like, because they need it. They need it. I put this everywhere, over my lips, under the eyes. So there's two ways I use this, and I don't know if they're right, but the first way I use this is, as I mentioned, like a slugging method. So I'll just do a really kind of like go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, and do a very generous layer of this over my face and then just leave it and then go to bed. And that's when I can feel the product still on my skin the next day, or I will essentially just use it as a moisturizer. It says essence, but this is always the last step in my routine. So I'll glide this over my face and then I'll gently rub and tap this into my face like a moisturizer. It'll rub in, so it actually penetrates the skin. So unlike slugging, it's not just sat on the skin. But I love it. I love it. I've got backups of this. This is one of very few products that I buy backups of because I just know one day I'm going to hit the bottom of it and be like, where did that go? On your crusty knees, crusty elbows. Like, this is really, really, really good. On your neck, you could use it as like a touch-up lip balm throughout the day. It really does do everything. You can literally, because of the ingredients in here, you could like cleanse your skin in the morning, do that, and then do sunscreen, and you're fine. You'll be fine in the morning. So that's the full routine. Start off with the Reedle shots, do the Glow Ample, followed by whatever serums you might want to introduce into a routine. The spot treatment, I always let that dry down a little bit, rub it in, and then I'll do the stick balm. So you can use this box as your full nighttime routine. You could introduce your own serums, but honestly, the Reedle shots and the Ampoule spray and the stick balm have enough ingredients in them all together to be able to warrant this just being your evening routine, your full skincare routine. Mix and match together, morning and evening, depending on your skincare needs that day. So the details again, the box officially launches on June the 23rd at 4 p.m. KST, and that's on stylekorean.com. It costs $39, with the full value being over $170. Craziness as always. This for me, I feel like is the most functional, calming, glow enhancing, slow aging routine I've been able to create into a box. And I'm so glad it's with VT. I know this is going to sell out again. The VT boxes always sell out super, super quick because they are such a bargain. Such a bargain. So yes, all details will be in the description box down below. Get it when you can. It's going to go quick. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.